Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Qixi Fair Premium Pass in Heartopia. So Heartopia right now has a new event, the Qixi Fair event like this game that has a board game like this. And did you know that you can unlock the Qixi Fair Premium Pass and potentially get a huge amount of extra orchids while basically getting your hard diamonds back? So it sounds almost free, so let's get started. First, just open the Qixi Fair like this, and then after that, just uh, tap on the unlock advanced tier, this button, or at the total roles icon like this. You can see it, unlock advanced tier. Just tap on it, and then in here, to unlock the premium pass you will need 180 hard diamonds, the hard diamonds that you can get from the to top up on this game. So you need to subscriptions on this game, and then after you get the enough hard diamonds, just simply confirm the purchase on here, and your premium pass will be activated immediately. And then after you activate this premium pass, you will unlock an extra orchids on here. The extra orchids as you progress to this board game, the GC Fair board game. And if you complete the premium pass all the way to the end, you will get your hard diamonds back as one of the final rewards. So yeah, if you complete the entire pass, you can recover the same amount of hard diamonds that you spent to unlock this premium pass. And so yeah, that's why this premium pass can feel almost like a free upgrade. And okay, that's it. That's how you can activate the premium pass to get the rewards almost like free in this Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.